to stay fresh. Should I put it in a container or let it be just there and get one pack every time I finish one? Ito ba yan? Yan yung bell. Sa alisin na to. Ganito ba yan? Notepad.